Good day, QuickBooks users. Ito po yung ating videos for QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise for construction business. Ito po yung approach with construction industry. So, ito po yung kanyang homepage or yung kanyang workflow. Napaka-organized ng workflow and straightforward yung kanyang mga proseso. So, the process for the purchases, no, from vendor management, accounts payable, and then the sales management or customer management, and then inventory. Yes, meron din po tayo dyan. Saka yung ating accounting. Okay? As well as the banking. Okay? So, ang gagawin po natin is to explain yung different approach of this construction for desktop, no? So, yung ating customer, ganito po yung setup niya, customer, and ito po yung mga project per customer. Okay? Customer, ito po yung mga project per customer. Pwede pong sa isang customer, we have multiple projects. Okay, da-downline lang natin sa kanya. Ang approach po sa kanya is, ang treatment po ni QuickBooks, yung terminology is jobs. So, kailangan nating i-consider natin siya as job. So, once the job is created, meron tayong tinatawag dito na start date, uh, project, projected end date, and end date. Okay? So, syempre yung full information nung project. So, ganun lang po kasimple kay QuickBooks. No? Naka-detailed lang po yung basic information for the projects. And the reports for the projects is very accommodating kay QuickBooks pagdating po sa ating project or job estimate versus actual detailed. I-click lang natin dyan yung projects. Makikita na natin yung informations ng project. So, estimated versus actual, estimated versus actual. Okay? And sa atin naman pong profit and loss per job or profit and loss per project, given na po yan. Yan. Meron po tayong sales. Ito yung progress invoicing. And then yung ating expenses. So, saan nanggagaling yung expenses? Every time na gumagawa ng expenses si accounting, may mga binibiling materyales, inilalagay dun sa project, itinatag. So once this is saved, mapupunta na siya dun sa ating profit and loss per job. Okay? So ganun po siya kasimple. So every time na merong sales naman, no? Syempre from estimate. From estimates, we can send quotation, and then from estimates, pwede yan magpunta muna ng sales order or diretso na ng progress invoice. So tulad nito, pwede tayong mag-progress invoice dito dun sa ating estimates. So lalabas yan, pwede nating sabihin na 50% completion, gagawa na siya ng invoice ng 50% from that estimate. Then save and close. So ganun lang po kabilis mag-prepare ng estimates kay QuickBooks. And then the printing naman, meron tayong printing voucher kay QuickBooks, no? Pagdating po sa ating estimates. Okay? Meron tayong estimates diyan. Pwede nating i-customize 'yan. And then sa sales naman ay sa purchases naman natin, meron tayong accounts payable voucher. Pwede nating i-customize 'yan depende do sa requirements ng ating mga customer, no, or yung ating mga tawag doon, mga clients, no. So, accounts payable voucher, bill payment details, yung detalye ng pinagbayaran, cash disbursement voucher, and then check printing, nandyan din po. Yan po yung template na kakailanganin natin for accounting. Siyempre, meron din po tayo diyang VAT relief for importation, VAT relief purchases, 2307, pag nangangailangan po yung ating mga suppliers, bibigyan natin sila ng 2307, and then VAT relief for sales. So, yan po yung buong VAT relief na functions ng template na to. And then, you can print that, no? You can print the report or you can download as Excel. O pwedeng i-export siya as Excel. So, yan po yung kagandahan ng pre-printed template sa QuickBooks, no? So, yan po yung mga pre-printed natin na naka-ready. Pwede naman pong i-customize 'yan kung meron gustong ipadagdag. Kung kailangan ng additional approval, 'yan, pwede naman natin i-customize 'yan. Kung gustong lagyan dito ng i-incorporate natin dito yung projects ng mga purchases. Kung halimbawa 'tong purchases na 'to, kung saan project siya gagamitin, pwede naman natin i-incorporate 'yan. So, this is fully customized, no, according to the requirements ng ating pong business. So, pwede din tayong maglagay ng logo, no, ng ating business. So, yan po yung pinaka essential niya, no, the project management for construction business ni QuickBooks.